वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। You can repeat. अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरं संदिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम्
अनवद्य
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
कुलसानां दन्ताः
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
पद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
पद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
न्यमाङ्गनानां नासिका च
न्यमाङ्गनानां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
कारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
मकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
मूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
Here kanta plus oshtam. Kanta plus oshtam we have seen. A plus O. Kanta plus oshtam will become Vriddhi kanta oshtam. Right?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, it will.
We have seen Otvoshthayoho samaseva, but A plus U will become Gunan. We have seen Kantoshtam. Odautogo Kantoshtam. In one of the previous class we saw.
Yeah, sir.
That is, if Ottam of Oshta is there as the Uttarapadam in the Samasa, then between the two Padam, when the Sandhi happens, then it will be a Guna Sandhi. A plus O will be, this is option. This is option. So Kantoshtam. So in some places, in some books you may see Odo Toko Kantoshtam. That is correct. It's not a mistake. Kanta, Kantoshtam or Kantoshtam. It is optional. It is Samaseva. In a Samasa, it is Pararupata, Pararupa Sandhi. This is by in Vartika. Otoshtayogo Samaseva. By that Vartika, Kantoshtam, that form is possible. Ayun,
Ayun,
Rilak,
Rilak,
Eong,
Ong,
Ouch,
Ouch,
Ayavarat,
Hayavarat,
Lan,
Lan,
Yamangananam,
Nyamangananam,
Jabhai,
Jhabhai,
Gadadash,
Ghadadash,
Jabagadadash,
Jabagadadash,
Khapa Chatata Chatato,
Khapa Chatata Chatatau,
Kapai,
Kapai,
Shashasal,
Shashasar,
Hal,
Hal,
In fact, we have to see the sutra. See the sutra for forming the pratyahara. We have to see the sutra for forming the pratyahara. We will see that. In fact, we have started using pratyahara and all. So, how this pratyahara are formed? For that, we have a sutra. We have not seen that yet. Maybe after this sutra, Anudit Savarnasya Apratyaha, because we saw Savarnam, the Sanya. So, in connected to that, we are seeing this sutra, Anudit Savarnasya Apratyaha. This was the last sutra we were seeing in the previous class. Okay. Before that, let us chant this sutra, first chapter, first section. Please make sure that there is no background noise.
It is from me, sir. Background.
No. It's not there now. I'm saying.
Okay, sir.
Vriddhiradech.
Vriddhiradech,
Adeng gunaha.
Adeng Gunaha,
Iko guna vriddhi.
Iko Guna Vriddhi.
Can you all see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Adhatu lopa ardhatuke.
Na dhatu
Dhatu
lopa
lopa
ardhatuke,
Niti cha.
Niti cha,
Didhi vitam.
Didhi veritam,
Lonantaraha sanyogaha.
Halonantaraha
Sayogaha.
Sanyogaha,
Nasika vachano nunasikaha.
Mukhanasika Vachano Nasikaha,
Tulyasya prayatnam savarnam.
Tulyasya Prayatnam Savarnam,
For that there is a Vartika also. Rulu varna yogo.
Rulu Varna Yogo,
Savarnyam vachyam.
यत् सावर्ण्यं वाच्यं
Ita savarnyam. Ita is
सावर्ण्यं.
yeah.
Okay.
Mutual. They are mutually savarnyam. Ita savarnyam vachyam. Na jhalau.
ना झलौ
Idude dvivachanam pragruhyam.
ईदूते द्विवचनं प्रगृह्यम्
Adasomat.
अधसोमात्
She nipata ekajanang.
निपात एकाजनाङ्
Ot
ओत्
sambuddho shakalyasyeta vanarshe.
सम्बुद्धौ शाकल्यस्येतावनार्षे
Uyaha.
यः
Idudau cha saptam yarte.
ईदूतौ च सप्तम्यर्थे
Adha gvadap.
दाधाद्
Adyantavade kasmin. Taraptamabhau gaha. Bagugana vatudati sankhya.
गणवतुडति संख्या
Shnantashat.
स्नान्ताशश
Dati cha.
दति च
Tavatu nishtha.
मत निष्ठा
Sarvadini sarvanamani.
सर्वाणि सर्वनामानि
Vibhasha dik samase bhagavrigo.
विभाषादिक्समासे बहुव्रीहौ
Na bhagavrigo.
बहुव्रीहौ
Tritiya samase.
तृतीया समासे
Cha.
द्वन्द्वे च
Vibhasha jasi.
विभाषाजसि
Pratama charama tayalparda katipayane mascha.
प्रथमचरमतया कार्तकतिपयनेमाश्च
Mascha. Purva paravara dakshinottara paradarani vyavastayam asanyayam.
पूर्वपरावर दक्षिणोत्तर पराधराणि संज्ञायाम्
Swam ajnati dhanakhyayam.
स्वमज्ञातिधनाध्यायाम्
Antaram bhagiryogo prasangvyanayogo.
अन्तरबहिर्योगोपसंख्यानयोगो
Radinipatam avyayam.
स्वरादिपादमव्ययम्
Tadditascha sarva vibhaktihi.
तद्धितश्चा सर्वविभक्तिः
Krinme jantaha.
कृन्मे जन्तः
Tvatosun kasunaha.
त्वातोऽसुनः
Avyayi bhavascha.
अव्ययीभावश्च
Shri sarvanamasthānam.
सर्वनामस्थानम्
Sudanapumsakasya.
सुडनपुंसकस्य
Naveti vibhasha.
नवेति विभाषा
Yajnanas samprasaranam.
इज्ञनः सम्प्रसारणम्
Adyantau takitau.
आद्यन्तौ कपितौ
Midachontyaat paraha.
मिदचोत्यात् परः
Ejayigrasvadeshe.
ये च ह्रस्वादेशे
षष्ठी स्थाने योगा
षष्ठी स्थाने योगः
स्थानेन्तरतमः
स्थानेन्तरतमः
पुरन्दरपरः
पुरन्दरपरः
अलोन्त्यस्य
अलोन्तस्य
निच्च
निच्च
आदेगे परस्य
आदेहे परस्य
नेकाल्शित् सर्वस्य
अनेकांशित् सर्वस्य
स्थानिवदादेशो नल्विदौ
तानि
वदादेशो
विधौ
तः परस्मिन् पूर्वविदौ
परस्मिन् पूर्वविधौ
पदान्तद्विर्वचन वरे यलोप
न पदान्तद्विर्वचनवरेयलोप
स्वर सवर्णानुस्वार
स्वरसवर्णानुस्वार
दीर्घजश्चर् विदिषु
दीर्घजश्च विदिषु
द्विर्वचने अचि
द्विर्वचने अचि
अदर्शनं लोपः
अदर्शनं लोपः
प्रत्ययस्य लुक्ष्लु लुपः
प्रत्ययस्य लुक्ष्लु लुपः
प्रत्ययलोपे प्रत्ययलक्षणम्
प्रत्ययलोपे प्रत्ययलक्षणम्
लुमता अङ्गस्य
न लुमताङ्गस्य
अचोन्त्यादिति
अचोन्त्यादिति
अलोन्त्यात् पूर्व उपधा
अलोन्त्यात् पूर्व उपधा
तस्मिन्निति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य
तस्मिन्निति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य
तस्मादित्युत्तरस्य
तस्मादित्युत्तरस्य
स्वं रूपं शब्दस्य शब्दसंज्ञा
स्वं रूपं शब्दस्य शब्दसंज्ञा
अनुदित् सवर्णस्य च प्रत्ययः
अनुदित् सवर्णस्य च प्रत्ययः
अपरस्तत्कालस्य आदिरन्त्येन सहेता येन विधिस्तदन्तस्य वृद्धिर्यस्य चामादिस्तत् वृद्धम् यथादीनि च यें प्राचां देशे that is the last sutra of the first section of the first chapter. Here anudit savarnasya cha apratyaha 169, for which svam rupam from the previous sutra comes as anuvritti. Svam rupam shabdasya shabdasangya. And 1171 adirantena saheta, it is the sutra for forming the pratyahara. Adirantena saheta. We will see that after anudit savarnasya. Now, anudit savarnasya cha apratyaha. You can read from Lagu Siddhanta Kaumudi. We have been discussing there for the last 2 classes, I think. Pratiyate vidiyate iti pratyayah. You can repeat.
प्रतीयते विधीयते इति प्रत्ययः
Avidiyamanah
विधीयमानः
an utcha. Should be able to spot an ut. All these things are there. Sandhi has happened. vidiyamanaha anudiccha and utcha savarnasya sanya syat
सवर्णस्य संज्ञा स्यात्
atra eva
अत्र
एव
and parena nakarena
अण्परेण नकारेण
puchu tu tu pu ete uditaha
एते उदितः
तदेवं अ इति अष्टादशानां संज्ञा
तदेव
एवं अष्टादशानां संख्या
तथा इकार उकारो
तथा
तथा
इकार
उकारो
एकारो कारो तथा इकार उकारो ऋकारस्त्रिंशतः
इकारस्त्रिंशतः
एवं लिकारोऽपि
एवं लिकारोऽपि
एचः द्वादशानाम्
एचः द्वादशानाम्
अनुनासिक अनुनासिकभेदेन
अनुनासिकभेदेन
यवलाः द्विधाः
यवलाः द्विधाः
तेन अनुनासिकाः ते
तेन अनुनासिकाः ते
द्वयोः संज्ञाः
द्वयोः संख्याः
Yes. You understand the meaning of these lines? Yes? No?
கொஞ்சம் புரியுது
Explain. But we have to explain this in detail. More information.
विधीयते इति
Pratiyate vidiyate iti pratyaya. Now the sutra is, this sutra is the Grahaka Sutra, Sanya Sutra, or we can call it as the Grahaka Sutra. This sutra defines the Sanya. This sutra it can be called a Sanya, but really Sanya is not there, but still it is called a Sanya Sutra. We can call it as Grahaka Sutra. Grahaka, that which accepts, that which brings in Savarna. Therefore, Grahaka Sutra. And Ut, it, Udit, one word. Okay. Anudit. All these are samasa. We will see that. I think we have seen that before. Anyway, I will explain again. Anudit. Savarnasya cha apratyaya. These are the words. So the words pratyaya is so it is defined first. What is a pratyaya? Pratyaya doesn't mean suffix here. Pratyaya, supratyaya. That is not the pratyaya here. That is why in the beginning itself the vritti it is given. Pratiyate vidiyate iti pratyaya. That is that which is ordained. It's called pratyaya. That which is ordained. That is that which is ordained in the place of a sthani. That which is ordained in the place of a sthani. That is called pratyaya here. Pratyaya in general can mean suffix also, but here it is not the meaning. That's why pratiyate vidiyate iti pratyaya. Avidiyamanaha. Okay, pratiyate vidiyate iti pratyaya, but in the sutra, apratyaya is there. So it should not be an ordained one. So apratyaya. Savarnasya. An ut savarnasya cha apratyaya. So the word apratyaya, that which is not an adesha, for an only, not ut. Even though in the sutra, an ut, that is udit. What is udit? Udit is ut it yasya saha. That in which ut, that u, ukara is it letter. That is called udit. That in which ukara is it. That is called udit. Example, pu, chu, tu, pu. All these varnas, ku, that u is it letter. Ku, that nasalized u is that is it. So therefore it is ut. Ukara is it. Therefore it is udit. It is udit. Who is udit? Chu is udit. Tu is udit. Tu is udit. Who is udit? Therefore ete uditaha. Ut udit. Uditau uditaha marut shabda. Bhagavachanam. Ete yeshaha etau ete. Ku chu tu tu pu ete uditaha. Uditaha is Bhagavachanam. Pratama vibhakti Bhagavachanam. I'm giving the vibhakti of the vritti. Now this udit is there in the sutra. Ut it yasya saha. That is udit. That's Bhagavrigi samasa. And in anudit, two words are there. One is an, other one is udit. Udit is Bhagavrigi samasa. That udit is Bhagavrigi. And an also is there. Ancha udit cha. Anudit. Ancha udit cha. Anudit. Ancha udit cha. What samasa? If it is Dvandva samasa, then it must be anuditau, it must be marutau, right? Anuditau must be, but anudit only is there. Ancha uditcha. Two things are Ramascha Lakshmanascha. Rama Lakshmanau. It is Dvandva samasa. But here it is not. Anuditau is not there. Ancha uditcha anudit. It is Samahara Dvandva samasa. It is Dvandva, but it is Samahara. Samahara Dvandva samasa will be in Ekavachan. Simple Dvandva samasa, Itaretra Dvandva samasa will take the Vachanam of the number of Padams in the samasa. Ramascha Lakshmanascha Rama Lakshmanau. It is Dvivachanam. Ramascha Lakshmanascha Bharatascha Shatrugnaha cha Ram Lakshman Bharata Shatrugnaha, which is Bhagavachanam. Takes the Vachanam depending on the number of Padams within a samasa. Anudit is there. It is Ekavachanam. Ancha uditcha anudit. Therefore it is Samahara Dvandva samasa. So anudit is Pratama vibhakti Ekavachanam. One Padam. Anudit. And udit is Bhagavrigi samasa. So anudit is Bhagavrigi garbha samahara dvandva samasa. Bhagavrigi garbha. Bhagavrigi is there inside because udit, ut, it, yasya saha, that is Bhagavrigi. Ancha, uditcha, anudit. So Bhagavrigi is there in the garbha of samahara dvandva samasa. Garbha means inside. Okay, this is about this word anudit alone. Then savarnasya Shashti vibhakti ekavachanam. Sha avyaya apratyaya, not a pratyaya. What is a pratyaya? Pratiyate vidiyate iti pratyaya. Vidiyamanaha, that which is ordained, that is called pratyaya. Apratyaya is nanch tatpurusha. Na pratyaya apratyaya iti. Okay. And you see the here, the vritti for this. Swam Rupam comes as Anuvritti. Swam Rupam from the previous sutra. Swam Rupam comes as Anuvritti. Okay, therefore, Sutrartha is Avidiyamanaha an. What is an? That has to be defined. In the Maheshwara Sutra, we have two types of an. Ayyavan, that is one an. Second one, up to Lan. Which one you are talking about? Which one you are talking about?
Longer one.
Longer one. That is what is given in the vritti itself. You can see. Atra, that is third line. Third line means second line, third sentence. Second line, third sentence. Atra eva an parena nakarena. Parena nakarena means the nakara which comes later. Paranakara, not the purva nakara. So an iti, here you have to take the nakara as the paranakara. Pare nair pareneva han gragaha sarve purvena eva an gragha mataha. Rate anudit savarnasya itti etat ekam parena tu. This is a shloka. It says Purvanakara is taken for all the other sutras, whereas for Anudit Savarnasya, for this sutra, always you have to take the Paranakara. This is the shloka showing that as a pramanam for why we take the Paranakara. This is the only sutra where you have to take the longer an. Ayivu, Rulu, Evo, I ouch, Hayavara, La. Longer an. Only in this sutra, the longer an is taken. The smaller an for the other sutras. Everywhere else, you can take the smaller an. Similarly, yin is there. Yin is always the longer one. There is no short in. In koho, remember, use that for Shatwan. Where in, the letter in is there. That is a longer in. There is no shorter in. Nowhere shorter in, it's there. It's used. In means longer in. An can be smaller in or longer, smaller an or longer an. But in this sutra only, the longer an is considered. In everywhere, other places. In other places, it is only a shorter an. Okay. Now the second sentence, the first line, second sentence. Avidiyamanaha an ut an uditcha savarnasya sanyasa. Savarnasya sanyasyat. So avidiyamanaha means apratyaha, that which is not ordained. Avidiyamanaha an utcha savarnasya sanyasyat. This we have to interpret. We'll see. But before that, after having brought the Anuvritti, Swamrupam, now the Sutrata is Avidiyamanaha an Varnaha, that is a longer an, Tata Udit Varnaha, Kuchu tu tupu iti, Savarnana, Graganam Karoti, that is why it is the Gragaka Sutra. It brings in its Savarna. So that which is not ordained, unordained and Udit will bring its Savarna. Aniti yukte rasvaha, akaraha and antastavarnaha. So that's the longer an. And kuchu tu tupu brings all the class consonants. It brings class consonants. Ete uditaha savarna graganam kurvanti iti. Now, an and ut, they savarnasya sanyasyat. The sanya, savarna for an and ut. That is that which is not ordained. That which is not ordained will bring its savarna. It means other than that. In a sutra, three things will be there. One is Istani. Other one is the Adesha. The third one is a Nimitta, which causes change in the Stani. Change or changes in the Stani. Stani is replaced by Adesha based on the Nimitta. The Nimitta could be indicated by the preceding letter, or by the following letter, succeeding. So a nimitta for causing the change can precede the sthani or can follow the sthani. Sometimes the preceding and the succeeding both are replaced by the adesha, both are the sthani. Like in Gunasandhi. In Gunasandhi, what do we do? A plus U. Example. Purva padam ends with the letter A. Uttara padam begins with the letter U. So, here the sthani is both A and U. Both are sthani will be replaced by a single adesha. Whereas in Yen Sandhi, E plus U. E is a sthani. And the nimitta is Ukara, which follows. So, E will be replaced by Yakara, Yen letter, Yakara. So, three things are there. Sthani, Adesha, and the Nimitta. Apratyaha, when you say accepting Adesha. Accepting Adesha. Sthani and the Nimitta can bring its Savarna. Sthani and the Nimitta can bring its Savarna. They are Avidiyamanaha, and they are, if they are An and Ut, only this An and Ut, this only can bring. Okay. This is what the meaning of this line. And now, what are the Savarna letters? He says, Tad evam A iti ashtadashanam sanya. A iti ashtadashanam sanya. The letter A, it has got Savarna sanya. Ashtadashana, or the 18 letters of A, they have got the sanya Savarna. What are those 18 letters? 18 Ashtadasha Varnaha Savarna Sanyakaha iti. What are those 18? We have already seen, but still I am showing this. You can see. Swaraha. This Ashtadasha, just taking for the vowels now. So Nasika Krita Vedaha, we have got two. One is Anunasika, other one is Anunasika. Ananunasika, Anunasika. Nasika Krita Veda. The difference caused by the nasal. Nasalized, non-nasalized. Two Vedas, two difference. Kala Krita Vedaha, Rasvaha, Dirgaha, Putaha, 3. And Sthana Bhaga Krita Vedaha, Swara Veda, Udata, Anudata, and Swarita. So each Swara are differentiated based on these 3. Each Swara can have these differences. Nasika Krita Vedaha 2, Kala Krita Vedaha 3, and Sthana Bhaga Krita Vedaha Atava Swara Vedaha 3. So therefore, how many forms will be possible for a Swara? 2 into 3 into 3. So 18 will be there. So each Swara will have 18 Savarna Sanya. That is further explained in the table. Swara, you can take how it is 18. Swaraha, the vowels. Ananunasika, Rasvaha, and 3 Swaras. Udata, Anudata, Swarita. So you will have this combination. With this combination, you have Ananunasika Rasva Udataha, Ananunasika Rasva Anudataha, Ananunasika Rasva Swaritaha. These are 3. Similarly, for the next one, same Ananunasika, and you can take Dirga, and for the 3 Swaras. Ananunasika, Dirga, Udataha, Ananunasika, Dirga, Anudataha, Ananunasika, Dirga, Swaritaha. So 6 Vedas up to this. Now taking the longer vowel, that is Pluta. Anunasika, Plutaha, three swaras, Udata, Anudata, Swarita. So, Ananunasika, Plutaha, Udataha, Ananunasika, Plutaha, Anudataha, Ananunasika, Plutaha, Swaritaha. So, 9 differences are there. This is for Ananunasika, non-nasalized verbal. The same thing for Anunasika. The same thing for Anunasika. So, how many you will have now? Anunasika, you will have 18 forms. Whatever we have seen for Ananunasika, the same thing you can extend for Anunasika. For Rasva, Dirgha, Pluta, and their corresponding Sthana, Bhaga, Krita, Veda, Udata, Anudata, Swarita, you will have 18 forms. For a Svara, there are 18 Savarnas. These 18 are called Savarna to this Svara. An example is given here, taking the letter A. Taking the Swara, you can see the first column, the Swara is, the A is an example. And Ananunasika and Anunasika. So two Nasika Krita Beda, based on that. Now, Kala Krita Bedaha, it is Rasva. A, Dirgha, and Pluta is that is more than 2 units of time. Based on this Sthana Bhaga Krita Beda, Udata, Anudata, and Swarita, you can see the letters A, and this is Anudata, Anunasika, and Rasva A. And this is Anunasika, Rasva, Swarita A. So 1, 2, 3. Similarly for the longer vowels. A is a Anunasika, Dirgha, Udataha. And Ananunasika, Dirgha, Anudataha. Ananunasika, Dirgha, Swaritaha. Similarly for Pluta also. So how many forms you will have? 18 forms are there. Right? So the letter A can bring in the 18 forms. The letter A can bring its 18 forms. These forms are called Savarna. The 18 forms are the Savarna for the letter A. In the Maheshwara Sutra, Ayun is there. Only A is there. The A can bring its Savarna. Savarnasya Gragakaha Bhavati. The letter A. The same thing can be extended for Ikara, Ukara. That is what in the Vritti it is shown. The Vritti, you can see the Vritti now. Tata eva Ikara, Ukara. Third line. Tadevam A iti Ashtadashanam Sanya. Ashtadashanam Sanya I have shown now. All this 18 Ashtadasha, 18 Savarnas. Tata eva Ikara, Ukara. Similarly for Ikara and Ukara. Rikaraha Trimshataha, that we have seen. Rikara, it has got 30. Rikara has got 30 Savarna Sanya. R and L. The Vartika we saw. Rulu Varnayoga Mitasavaranyam. The Vartika says R and L, they are Mitasavaranyam Vachyam. They should be told, they should be considered as Savarna. Mitasavaranyam Vachyam. Therefore, the Savarna of Rikara will include the letters, the Savarna letters of Likara also. And Lu being a short vowel, doesn't have a long form. Therefore, from this table, you can minus the long vowel. The Dirgha, you can take it out. For Ru, I am saying. For Lu, I am saying, Dirgha is removed. If you remove Dirgha, only Kala Krita Veda, only 2 are there, Rasva and Pluta. So it will be 2. So 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 will be there. So for Likara, there will be only 12 Vedas. Because long is not there, right? For Likara. Now Rikara and Likara both are Savarnyam, both are Savarna. Rikara will have 18. Rikara will have 18. And Likara will have 12. So 18 plus 12, you will have 30. Trimshat. You can see. This one, similarly, E and U have 18 Savarna forms that we have seen. L do not have a long form. L doesn't have a long form. And L and R and L are Savarna according to the Vartika. So the number of Savarna letters of R will be 18 forms of R and 12 forms of L. So therefore you will have 30. Similarly for L also, the letter L, the Swara L, 12 forms of L plus 18 forms of R. Therefore 30. That is why in the Vritti is given. Ikaraha trimshat 30 iti. Rikaraha trimshataha. Evam likaraha api. Evam likaraha api. Echaha dvadashanam. What is echaha? Echaha is evom and I ouch. Evom and I ouch. They have got only 12. Why? Because A, I, O, O, they don't have short forms. They don't have short forms. So like Likara, which has got 12 only, because it doesn't have the long one. Here, A, I, O, O doesn't have a short one. Therefore, it will have only 12 forms. And another thing to be noted here is A and I, they are not Savarna. Even though Asyam as well as Abhyantara Prayatanam are same, they are not considered Savarna. Because it is Savarna, that is why it is in the Mageshwara Sutra, it is mentioned separately. So A has got 12 Savarna Sanya, I has got 12 Savarna Sanya, O has got 12 Savarna Sanya, and O has got 12 Savarna Sanya. This is with regard to the Swaras in the Pratyahara An. Aivu, Rulu, Evo, I-O. They are covered. They are covered. Okay. Then, what are the other letters left out in this? Antastha and Hakara. Antastha and Hakara. Other letters are Antastha letter, semi-vowels and Hakara. Now, the semi-vowels, if you take, among the semi-vowels, we have seen Yakara has got its Anunasika component, Lakara has got Anunasika component, and Lakara. So therefore, is given that you can see the line Anunasika Bedena Yavalaha, that is Yakara, Vakara, Lakara. This is Samaha, this is Dvandva Samasa, Iteretra Dvandva Samasa. Yakaraha cha, Yahacha, Vahacha, Lagacha, Yavalaha, Vidaha. Nasika Krita Bedena, Vidaha. So nasalized Yakara, nasalized Vakara, nasalized Lakara gives it. It means what? Repa is not included. Repa doesn't have. Repa doesn't have. So, Airu, Aivu, Rulu, E, I, O, O, then Ha, Ya, Va, Ra, La. All these letters, and their Savarna forms are given. Hakara being a Ushmana, therefore, Repa Ushmanam Savarnaha Nasanti. You can note this. Repa and Ushma letters, they don't have Savarna. Therefore, Hakara doesn't have Savarna form. Repa Ushmanam Savarnaha Nasanti. It is not there. It is told by the told in the Shiksha Shastram. Repa Ushmanam Savarnaha Nasanti. Hakara being a Ushma Varna. Therefore, it doesn't have Savarna. And Repa also. You can see the footnote number 3. Yakara, the nasal is Yakara, then Yakara, Yava, La, iti, evam, Rupena iti, Bodhyam, Tena hetuna, Niranu Nasika, Yaradishu, Patitaha, te, Yavalaha, द्वयोर्द्वयोः ग्राहकाः भवन्ति इति अर्थः. So you have to understand this as nasalized antastha and non-nasalized antastha. Okay. So Repa and Ushmana, they don't have Savarna. So that is to be noted. Repa Ushmanam Savarnaha na santi. So these are the Savarna letters. Now Savarna letters are clear with regard to and with regard to Ut also, Udit also. Udit also, Ku, Chu, Tu, Tu, Pu is there. Ku stands for its, Ku can bring its Savarna letters. Ku can bring it Savarna. What are the Savarna letters for Ku? Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga. These are the Savarna for Ku. Similarly, Chu. So it can bring its class consonants, respective class consonants. So by saying Ku, you can bring the other four as well as the fifth one, fifth letter of the class. So Kakara stands for all the other letters. Kakara means Ku. Ku is nothing but the content is Kakara only after removing the Ith letter. So Ku, the content of Ku being Kakara, therefore I said Kakara. So Ku can bring its class consonants, including the fifth letter of the class, respective class. So these are the Savarna letters. These are the Savarna letters. Now, when we say Anudit Savarnasya cha apratyaha, here this avidiyamanaha, that adesha, it is to be connected to, un. It is to be connected to un only. I will explain this further. Here, the pratyaya, that is this apratyaha, that is to be connected to un. That is the un which is avidiyamanaha, not ordained. And the ut letters and the udit letters will bring its savarna, including its form. That is the meaning of this whole sutra. That which is not ordained, that unordained un and the udit will bring its savarna forms, including its form also. It has to bring its form also. Swam rupam. This is the meaning of this sutra. And before that, even when we say in the Margeshwara Sutra, the letter A can bring its Savarna Sanya. E can bring its Savarna Sanya. The short A, E, U, D, can bring its Savarna. Similarly, A, I, O, O, the conjunct vowels also can bring it. This bringing of Savarna Sanya, it's only for the Rasva Varna, which is given in the Margeshwara Sutra. The Margeshwara Sutra, there is no long A is not there. A is there. So A can bring it other forms, Savarna Sanyas. So A, that is the long A, it's Savarna. It has got Savarna Sanya to A. So it can come. Similarly, Pluta A also. So they are Savarna Sanya, therefore A can bring. So this Gragaka is only for the letters in the Pratyahara, Sutra. This Gragaka is only for the letters which are in the Pratyahara, that's Margeshwara Sutra. Even when you say the letter, the short vowel A, which has got Savarna Sanya, which has got the 18 forms, they are the Savarna Sanya for A, so it can come. So, Gragaka is only for the Rasva Varna, which is mentioned in the Margeshwara Sutra, not for the long vowel. Why? Because that long vowel, it is Dirgha. It's a long vowel, it is not mentioned. the long vowel. The a is a savarna to a. Savarna to the short a. So by short a we can bring in long one. Long vowel as such it is not there. I mean it is not mentioned in the Maheshwara Sutra or anywhere else. If at all anywhere it is there in the sutra, we specify it by saying at. We add takara to it and we say at. That is only a. We don't say, in fact, we don't say at also. In fact, we say only at. By saying at, we are restraining the savarna forms of a to only a. If it is a, it will be a only. There is no need of takara there. Because a being a dirgha, it will not bring its savarna forms. Because savarna forms only for the letters which are in the an, which are in the an pratyahara. In the an only a, I, u, ru, short vowels are there, and a, I, o. These are there. So, since long is not mentioned, long vowel is not there in the an. Therefore, when you say a, the long, it will not bring its savarna. It will not bring its a is a only. A is a only. You can, for our understanding, we can say at, the long a, and takara we can put. But there is no such application of it you find in the Sutra Pata. To my knowledge, I don't see that. At only will be there because the a can bring its savarna forms. To restrain that, we add the takara to it and say at. If a is there, a will be there. Why? Because an letters which has the short a, for example, it can only bring its savarna forms. That is what it is there in the an. A is savarna to a. A, the long a is savarna to the short a. So, by mentioning the short a, long a can be brought in. By mentioning the long a, you cannot bring in the short a because it is not there in the an pratyahara. In the an pratyahara, explicitly it is not mentioned in the Maheshwara Sutra. I1 only it is there. Therefore, this we have to understand. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes, Ji. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. This particular line, I got confused when I was reading for the first time. This Dirgha and Pluta, they are not in the Pratyahara an. They are not in the Pratyahara an. If you ask why it is not there, A stands for it is there. I can bring its savarna forms, but in the Pratyahara it is not there. Okay. In the Pratyahara an, a, I, u, r, l, e, o, I out, a, ya, va, ra, la. Only these letters are there. A is not there. They are called savarna sanya. Therefore, in the application you can bring. The application you can bring in the savarna.
Sir, audio is not clear.
But in the Pratyahara an, it is not there. The long a, that is dirgha a, and plutaha, they are all not there in the Pratyahara. Therefore, it is said, Rasva alone can bring its savarna. Rasva varnaha, Rasva varnasya, Rasva varnaha, Rasva an, that is Rasva varnaha, Swasya cha, Savarna gragataha bhavanti. Swam rupam, then Savarna sanya, Savarna varnaha api, Savarna varnanam api gragataha bhavati. This is only for the short vowels. Means the other 18 forms that a can bring in, but not the long a, because it is not in the Pratyahara. It is not Pratyahara antargata varna, that a, e, they are not there in the pratyahara as such. So this Grahaka Sutra, that an, it's only for the letters of the pratyahara. A, e, u, r, l, a, I, o, au. I'm talking about the swaras now. Other letters are there, ha, ya, va, ra, la. So, therefore, there is an implication to have only the letter a. So we can say at. By saying adding takara, you are restraining the letter only to the akara, stopping the savarnas of akara. Okay. So this is an important thing. This is an important thing because you may think a is there or e is there. If at all e is there somewhere. Okay. So it can bring its savarna forms. No. It cannot bring. Only the letters which are mentioned in the pratyahara, they can only bring in the savarna forms. Okay. Is it clear?
கொஞ்சம் கன்ஃபியூஸ் அர்த்தம்னா அப்போ அந்த சவர்ண ஃபார்ம்ஸ் வராதா? ஒன்லி ஆ மட்டும்தான்.
Only a mattumam. That is tapara tatkalasya. That is a different sutra. Taparaha tatkalasya.
Okay.
By adding takara, you are stopping the savarna forms. You are stopping the inclusion of savarna forms. That is at. By adding at, if you want to limit only the letter a, to stop these savarna forms, to exclude the savarna forms of a, then you can add takara to any letter. Okay. So letter a, you add at. Example, what is the example? At antasya angasya, adanta angasya. Remember? Apadanta adantasya. Not apadanta one example is there, and adantanga is there. Adantanga when followed by yajnadi pratyaya, what will happen? Adanta anga when followed by yajnadi pratyaya, what will happen?
It becomes dirgha.
Dirgha. Patami, patavaha, patamaha. Remember?
Yeah.
Pat plus shap plus me. Pat plus shap. That shap is nothing but a. Pata plus me. That pata is a. Right? It is short a only. At anga. At anga is a and takara is added. Right? So at means limiting only to the varna a. So at anga, that is avarna. Avarna anga followed by yajnadi pratyaya will become dirgha. Rasva becomes dirgha. So at is rasva only. Right?
Okay.
Only the short a will become dirgha. Only the short a will become dirgha. So the a stands, the letter a stands for 18 forms, but adding takara to it, tat nimitaha, taparaha tatkalasya, tatkala varnaha eva varnasya eva gargaka bhavati. Only that varna alone it will be there. Okay. Similarly, apadanta akara followed by the guna letter. Apadanta a followed by guna letter. What will happen? Pararupa sandhi happens, right? Pata plus anti becomes not patanti. Savarna dika doesn't happen. Pata plus anti, patanti.
Patanti.
Apadanta a followed by the guna letter a. Purva parayogasthaye pararupa adesha bhavati. These are some examples. So this adding takara is only for the short vowels because they only can bring it savarna forms. You don't see adding the takara to the long vowel. This you understand? That is what I said so far.
Yeah.
Why only for the short vowels? Because that is what is mentioned in the anpratyahara. Anpratyahara has got only short vowels. And the short vowels can bring in savarna forms in the application. Okay. But takara is added, limited
to that letter.
The short vowels. It means why? Because the short vowels can only bring its savarna forms, not the long vowels, not the long and the pluta vowels cannot bring. This we understand from the letters of the pratyahara. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir. Ana didn't no doubt anche. Ukalo rasva dirgha plutala who represents all the other forms and solrolla.
Who can see? Who kalaha rasva dirgha plutaha? There only sanya is defined. Rasva dirgha pluta. What does it
Okay.
say further?
No. Who
Ukalaha
it
is sutra.
represents all okay short and long forms and solrolla.
No. There in the sutra ukalaha, example for a varna is example who is taken as the who varna is taken as the example to explain the rasva dirgha pluta. You can, that's why in that sutra I have said, if you remember, you can replace who by a, you can replace who by e.
Yeah, other letters also we can replace.
Other letter also we can take. Why who he took? Because probably you would have seen the cock which is sound in the morning. That's why he has taken who kalaha iti. There we are not bringing savarna, nothing to do with savarna there. There this ukara is only a upalakshana, stands for the other vowels. Short, other short vowels. Short, that is a, e, u, ru, lu. You can a, e, u, ru only. Lu also cannot bring it because it doesn't have a long form. A, o, a, I, o, o. All these are long forms, doesn't have a short form. So you cannot bring it. But you can you can give the sanya, dirgha pluta, based on the sutra. That is a sanya sutra. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So the point is here, this savarna sanya for the rasva, akara, ikara, ukara, rikara, likara, iti. That is what it is said. And a, I, o, anyway, it is a long one. Therefore, it stands for the long forms. That's different. Okay. So now, I'll give an example for this. Then this apratyaha, I said this apratyaha should be connected to an alone, not to udit. Apratyaha is anadeshaha, avidiyamanaha. That has to be connected to an. Example, okay. Before that, I'll explain with some examples in general. Taking the example of ikoyanachi. Okay. Taking the example of ikoyanachi. That is yen sandhi. Ikoyanachi means yen sandhi. Okay. I think I would have typed here, yes. What is the rule for yen sandhi? Ik followed by ach. Ik followed by ach. Ik will be replaced by yen. Right? Can you see the
Yes.
screen?
Yes, Ji.
Word
Yeah.
file?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, which is the sthani here?
Tani sik
Ik is the sthani. Adesha is
yan.
yen. So, yen is vidiyamana. Right? Yen are the pratyayas now. Now, let us take this application. Ik, the letters of ik. What are the letters of ik? E, u, ru, lu. E has got 18. E can bring its savarna forms. Right? So, I'm not writing all the 18 forms. I just mentioned 18. E stands for 18. You can see the line E. 18 are the. So E can bring its 18. U can bring its 18. And R can bring 30. And Lu can bring 30. So how many forms total? 96, I think. You can check the number.
Yeah, 96.
96.
Yeah.
Followed by ik, followed by ach. What are the letters of ach? All the vowels. Therefore, A can bring its 18. E can bring 18. U can bring 18. R 30. Lu 30. And A is 12. I is 12. And O out each 12. So total, I think 162. Okay. So it can be so many forms. So now, ik is a sthani, and ach is a nimitta, and n is the adesha, which is vidiyamana. in this sutra, Adesha. Now, just writing the yakaras also nasalized form. That is yakara and its nasalized form. It comes by this form. Yakara stands for its nasalized form. That symbol doesn't come. Let me try it again. You have to understand. Okay, I'm writing yakara here. One more yakara. Please understand this yakara is, maybe I can mark it in some other color. The yakara is nasalized yakara. Okay, you have to understand that Chandrabindu is on the top.
Okay. Okay.
That I could not type. I don't know why this font doesn't work. Shift this and this. Okay, doesn't work. So yakara stands for that nasalized. Similarly, vakara stands for the nasalized vakara. What about repa?
It doesn't have a.
No, it doesn't have.
So we cannot type there. So lakara is its nasalized form. These are the letters in the N pratyahara. Okay. Now, taking the example, this N sandhi, assuming that the purva padam ends with the letter E, followed by the uttara padam, which begins with the letter A. So E plus A. So ikara is a sthani, and ikara should be replaced by
Yeah.
Yakara.
yakara. Which
Yakara.
yakara? Two are there.
Only one
Nasalized,
form.
non-nasalized.
Only one. It can bring only one form.
That is why in the sutra, apratyaha is there.
Apratyaha.
Understand now?
Yes.
If only one chair is there, how can two persons sit on that? Therefore, we have to limit the adesha to only one. Therefore, apratyaha. It's clear.
Yes. Very clear.
Then you may ask, when why you are bringing sthanis, so many sthanis, other letters of sthani, savarna, and nimitta. Yes, other letter we bring in. I can combine. I can cover this possibility also. E plus A. What will happen? E plus A. What sandhi is it?
Then also
Then
it
also,
is
yeah.
only
Yakara.
And also N sandhi. So
Yeah.
by it covers all the 96 letters and achieves that 162 letters. Okay, all the possibilities are covered. So E also is going to be replaced by yakara only. Yakara plus A, right?
Yeah.
So therefore, sthani can bring its savarna forms by saying that all the possibilities are covered. Sthani and the nimitta, but not for the adesha. Adesha can be only one because sthani is only one in each possibility. Therefore, adesha must be only one. We have to limit the adesha from bringing its savarna forms. That is why in the sutra, apratyaha is there. Avidiyamanaha. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a beauty. Apratyaha. Connect to an.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain that portion? How will E becomes here? The portion.
E will become here.
E plus the E has become here. Yeah. How it becomes?
M sandhi. E is ikar not. The long E.
Yes. Correct.
E followed by H.
Yeah.
E
Yan
followed
sandhi
by.
will be.
Yeah.
But how that yakara will come instead of E?
Instead of
E. The last but one line. E plus A becomes Y plus A. That is here.
which
So how
one?
that E becomes?
No, which line you are
Last.
talking about? This one?
That is on. Correct.
Okay. Okay. There E is there. E is replaced
Correct.
by yakara, right? Yakara plus A, yeah.
Oh,
What your
because
doubt
of
is?
N sandhi? Because of
Because
N
of-
sandhi yakara.
Yeah, because of N sandhi.
Okay.
It is N sandhi. I said in the beginning, E stands for the last letter of the Purva Padam. A is the first
Correct.
letter of the following Padam. I'm not writing any
Correct.
word. I'm just writing the letter only.
Yeah, yeah. No problem.
So E plus A, that is ik letter followed by the ach letter. So ik letter will be replaced by N letter. That is N Sandhi. So E is a Sthani. So E is replaced by Yakara.
Okay.
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 What's the doubt
Yakara
now?
plus A becomes yeah. Yeah.
Yakara plus A becomes Ya. So what is your doubt in this?
No, that I didn't know. That is because of Yen Sandhi that Yakara comes there.
Yakara
In the
comes
place
because of
of,
Yan Sandhi. Yes, Yan Sandhi.
Okay.
So
Okay.
want any example? I have to write the example like this.
We can touch on.
Yadi plus api. You can take this. Yadi is ending with E, right? Last
Ikara.
letter is E.
Yeah.
Api is begins with A. The first letter is A.
Yeah.
E plus A. That is what I have written, sir. Only the letters I'm
Yeah,
writing
yeah.
there.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So therefore, for the Sthani and the Nimitta, you can bring in Savarna. For Adesha, it is not possible because Sthani being only one in this particular application. Yadi plus Api, if you take this particular example, you take Yadi plus Api. Yadi is ending with E, Purvapadam. Uttarapadam beginning with A. E plus A. How many form you will have? Yadyapi or Yadyaipi? Not possible, right? You will have only one. Therefore, replace E by Yakara. That is done, achieved by this sutra, saying apratyaha, avidiyamanaha. That is not for the Adesha. Adesha, the replacement only will be Yakara only, not the nasalized Yakara. Clear?
Yes, Ji. Yeah. Yes,
yes,
Ji. Yes.
Okay, okay.
So now you can see what are the possibilities. This Pluta and Pluta Sanda Sandhi will not happen. Okay, that is in the Shiksha Sutra. It is somewhere said in the not in this. This Sandhi and other Karya doesn't for the Pluta. So only for the short and the long vowels.
No.
So now you can see what are the possibilities are covered. One is E plus A. Other one is E plus, you can cover long A. Then E plus A. Then E plus A.
E plus R. Yes.
This is only for
Long E
example
plus
for this E, taking E and the A. Similarly for all the other letters. All the other letters you see. All the possibilities are simply covered by a simple rule. Iko Yan Achi. That is Sutra. Sutratvam, right? But we don't see all the, we don't discuss in the beginning. We say just ik is replaced by Yan followed by ach. That much only. E is replaced by Yakara. E or E is replaced by Yakara. U or U is replaced by Vakara. But so many things are there. How do you bring in by saying E and E? It is because of An. An letters are there. Therefore, An Pratyahara can bring it Savarna form. And the Adesha is Yan. Why don't you bring the Savarna of the Adesha letters? No. If you bring in, then you will not get one form. Only one place is there. How can two letters can come in one place? No. There you have to rule out the option. Right? Only one mala is there. You can put it on only one person. Right? So the same logic here. That is achieved by saying apratyaha in the sutra. Clear?
Yes, Ji.
Okay. Similarly, this is one example for the N. Okay. This one minute. So wherever these unletters are the adesha, there unletters are adesha, where unletters are adesha, then it will not bring it Savarna forms.
Savarna forms. Yeah.
What about other than an?
The Udit letters. Udit letters also
Udit
will
letters.
bring one. Yeah.
You can write like all letters from A till Kappa Yakara, I Pratyahara, except Repa and Hakara, can bring its Savarna forms as a Sthani or Nimitta, not as an Adesha.
Again, say again.
All the letters from I Pratyahara, this starting from A till Kappa Yakara,
Mm-hmm.
except Repa and Ha, can bring its Savarna forms as a Sthani or Nimitta, not as an Adesha.
What about semi vowels? Okay, which is
Yeah, it's covered, right? Kappai varaikum தான் சொன்னேன்.
Kappai varaikum.
Yeah.
Ayavarat.
Yeah, it's included. Hayavarat இருக்கு. அது ரேப்பா and ஹகாராக்கு மட்டும் தான் இது கிடையாது இல்லையா? Other letters have savarna forms.
Savarna. Okay. So here this un is there. Un should be connected to apratyaya. It doesn't have samandha to udit. Why? It is not udit.
Why?
Because
ஆமா udit.
Udit can be a vidiyamana or it can be an avidiyamana. Both are
Is it?
Both are possible. Okay.
Okay.
So example, for that one example, you can take the example of Chohokuhu. What is Chohokuhu? Chavarga letters.
Chavarga
replaced by
letters, Kavarga letters.
Chavarga letter replaced by
Kavarga
Kavarga
letters.
letter. I'm just giving the one sutta. Chohokuhu I'm writing.
Yeah.
That is, it says that Chu is the sthani and Ku is the adesha. Chu is the sthani. It is avidiyamana. And Ku is vidiyamana. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So by saying Chu Ku, what is Chu stands for? Chu stands for its letters Chakara, Chakara, Nakara, Nakara, and Nakara.
Mm-hmm.
These are the Chu letters. What about Ku?
Gaga.
Type them.
Yeah, right.
Not that I forgot the letters.
No, that type.
And I have to start learning from Varna again. Cha, cha, ja, ja, ja. Okay. And what about for Ku?
Gaga.
But you said it's a pratyaya. Should not bring. Don't bring it. It's a problem. You have to bring it Savarna form. Okay.
Okay.
The Ku stands for
Okay.
Kakara, Kakara,
Okay.
Kakara. Otherwise, what will happen? It cannot bring in. Only Kakara will be there. Everywhere you have to replace it by only Kakara. It becomes a problem.
Okay. So only the unlettered doesn't have the adesha.
Only for the
Udit
unlettered.
have. Udit
You said
letters
something.
have
I didn't hear what I
okay.
said, but something problem is that I understood. Okay, I thought I will explain
Yeah.
it then. That's why I didn't
Okay.
respond that. I said, okay, fine. Now you can check your understanding.
Yeah, correct. Okay. Then I have to strike it out. Yes.
Two letters are there. Ka, kha, ga, cha, 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 ja, ja, nya. Okay. Cho, that is chu. Chu is replaced by ku when we say. If you don't bring in the Savarna forms of ku, then everywhere you have to replace only by kakara. Say, that is chakara followed, chakara just replaced by. Taking this not that this 5 letters, only taking this ku as the kakara only. Remove the ith letter u, the content is only kakara. So chakara is replaced by kakara. And what about chakara? That also must be replaced by kakara. But that is not we want. Right? Chakara must be replaced by kakara. So for ku you have to bring in the Savarna forms.
Okay.
So therefore we say this to un only you have to connect this apratyaha, not to ku.
Okay.
Not to udit letters. Udit can bring its Savarna forms. There
Yes,
what you have to do is,
adesha.
there you have to replace it etasankyam desha samana.
Corresponding letters.
Chakara is replaced by kakara. Jakara, kakara. Jakara, gakara. And nasal by nasal. There etasankyam. Right?
Okay.
Yes.
Clear.
Is this clear?
Yes, Ji. Yes, Ji.
If you don't say that that if you don't say, if you say that apratyaya is also applicable to ku, then it's a problem. Then for all the letters of Chavarga, the Adesha will be only one Adesha, which is Kakara. It is not desired, right?
Okay. Yes.
That is not desired. So therefore, Udit is excluded. But how do you know from the sutra? It's difficult. Apratyaya, you will take it as common for both, right? For an letters as well as for Udit letters. That is how the sutra says Anudit Savarna Sacha Apratyaya. But we have to connect the Apratyaya to An. An Udit Savarnasya Cha Apratyaya. The Cha is and. Apratyaya. Apratyaya clause to be added to An alone. Not to Udit. That is how we have to understand the sutra. Probably it is explained.
See, the Sampurna Sutram, it's clear. There is a comma. If you miss the comma, it means the
Yes,
different
you have to
meaning.
put a comma. If you want,
Yeah,
right?
there is there in that.
Where is it?
In that Sampurna Sutram, it is given as Apratyaya an, comma, Uditcha Sarvarnasya. Now it means very clear now.
Yes, yes. Sampurna Sutra is given very clear. Apratyaya an Uditcha Savarnasya.
Savarnasya.
That is how we
Okay.
have to be explained. Very nicely as written. Connected
Yeah.
up to that. Okay. I think we have read all these things.
Yeah, we read.
This is the third class I think we are dealing with An. So, number 3, Nyatavyam. I'm reading from here. You can see the same thing he has given here. Apratyaha iti kevalam an iti etasya eva visheshana rupena prayujyate udit iti asya na. Right? Apratyaya, it is prayujyate, should be connected to an only, not to udit. Udit varnaha avidiyamanaha astu va vidiyamanaha astu. Let it be avidiyamana or vidiyamana, no problem. Saha nityam sarva graganam karoti. Always it brings its sarna forms. Yata chogo kuhu iti atra vidiyamanaha ku is the adesha. Vidiyamanaha ku api sarva graganam bhavati. Avidiyamanaha chogo api sarva graganam bhavati karoti. Therefore, it is not applicable here. Okay, let us read the Nyatavyam from the number 1 onwards. Okay. Asmin sutre apratyaha asya shabdasya pratyaya adhikarasya pratyayena saha kopi sambandhaha nasti. Very good. Don't look into the pratyaya adhikara, which is, if you know only, you have left out. If you don't know, then no problem. Pratyaya adhikara comes 3rd chapter, 1st section, 1st sutra, pratyaha. All the pratyas are mentioned from the 3rd chapter onwards, 3, 4, 5, all those 3 chapters, that is 12 sections. They cover the pratyas of the language. And pratyas will be mentioned in Pratama Vibhakti. That is not the pratyaya we are talking about here. So, pratyaya adhikarasya pratyayena saha kopi sambandhaha nasti. Therefore, you can translate, you can write also. Pratyaya is adesha. You can consider as adesha vidiyamanaha. That is why the word vidiyamanaha is used. Atra pratyaya iti yukte vidiyamanaha ityukte adesha rupena proktaha. Yes, that's why it's called adesha. Pratyaya means adesha. Apratyaya anadesha. Ataha apratyaya iti yukte adesha rupena yaha proktaha nasti saha. That is what is denoted. That which is not told in the form of adesha. Number 1. Okay. Number 2 now. An pratyahare kevalam rasva akara ikara ukara rikara likaranam samaveshah asti etesham dirgha pruta vedanam na. That is what I explained in this class in the beginning. The beginning means an pratyahara. Why the short letters, the short vowels are considered, right?
Yeah.
That's what he says that. Ataha kevalam rasvakaraha ikaraha ukaraha rikaraha likaraha eva sarvagraganam kurvanti. Tesham dirgha pruta vedaha avidiyamanaha bhavantu vidiyamanaha bhavantu kadapi savana graganam naiva kurvanti. Yes. A doesn't bring its savarna forms because it is not an pratyantargata. The letters in the an are the short vowels. It can bring its savarna forms. That is what it says. We discussed. यतः एतेषां विषये अस्मिन् सूत्रे किमपि प्रोक्तं नास्ति. That is why nothing has been told in the sutra. तथा एव ए ऐ ओ औ एतेषां केवलं दीर्घभेदः एव सर्वग्रहणं करोति. पृथभेदः न. पृथभेदः न. Only A, I, O, औ, these can bring only long forms. I mean savarna forms. Whereas Plutha A, suppose if it is there, Plutha A, I, O, it cannot bring it because it is not mentioned in the, it is not there in the Anpratyahara. Whatever the letters are in the Anpratyahara, only it can bring its Savarna forms. Not that which is Savarna, its Savarna can bring its Savarna. Not like that. Okay. Number 3, already we have read that. Number 3. Number 4. Kevalam asmin sutre an iti atra param nakara, the later nakara. Iti yukte lan iti asya nakaram svikritya pratyahara nirmanam karaniyam. Nirmanam kritam asti. Later nakara to be considered only for this sutra. Okay. Anyatra sarvatra yatra yatra aniti uchyate tatra ayun ityeva eva nakarena pratyahara nirmanam bhavati. Everywhere else it is only the short. These are the 4 points to be remembered. He has presented nicely. Whoever wrote this. Simple. This only I explained. The second one only I explained in detail.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can understand. If you read this, then you understand what I explained and you can connect to this and understand. Okay. So, Anudit Savarnasya Apratyaha, the sutra is Samaptam. But even in our, when I learned also, my teacher also did not teach so elaborately. He just will, so many information, so many things. I learned by reading on my own. This is not taught. In one class, they will cover 20 sutras.
My God.
One class, 20 sutras. You can imagine now. Only 3 years are there. You have to cover. One sutra itself for us to discuss elaborately, understand, takes so much time. 25 sutras, 30 sutras in a class. You can imagine how fast you
have taught according to the knowledge of the student, Ji.
That's true.
Okay, we can stop here. Parvati Ji, you understand now? This?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it.
You can go through this again. If you have any doubt,
Sure.
you can ask me. Yeah?
Okay.
The content, finally, the essence is An can bring its Savarna, Ut can bring its Savarna, and if it is Vidyamana An, then it will not bring its Savarna. And the letters which are mentioned in the Pratyahara, the longer An, can bring its Savarna. And the Savarna letters of An cannot bring it Savarna. That is what the content of the whole class. Okay.
Yeah.
A is Savarna to A, but A cannot bring its Savarna. That is to be understood. It is understood actually. It need not be explained, but we think it can bring it. That's why we have to negate that. That's why it is explained.
Yes.
Okay. We stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Guru Namaha Harihi Om. And
Dhanyawad, Ji. Yeah.
one,
Yeah.